So today I want to give a brief overview on what a glucose spike is, blood sugar management, kind of how that works physiologically, and then we'll kind of go into some tips and tricks to help you keep your blood sugar stable. So when you eat a meal, your brain sends a signal to your pancreas to release insulin. All of the glucose that's in your meal gets absorbed into your blood, and then insulin will attach onto a cell membrane on an insulin receptor, and that will help usher glucose into the cell where it can be used. There lays a problem when you either are not making enough insulin, or there's an excess of glucose and the insulin that's there is already too busy. We don't want to have a lot of glucose circulating around in our blood because it can actually do damage to our vessels, and blood sugar spikes are inflammatory. So this is a problem if you have an excess of glucose a lot of the time. It can do a lot of damage, especially to our smaller vessels like capillaries. So that's why some people with more late stage diabetes can potentially lose a toe or go blind because the glucose is damaging all of those vessels. So we want to make sure to keep our blood sugar as stable as we can.